Welcome to our Fly With Me class. In this video it's all about to give you a taste what to expect from this class. It will be interesting, creative and in the end incredibly rewarding. We will saw together a large quilt, and that might be a little bit overwhelming for the one or the other of you, but don't fear, I personally will walk you through the complete process of making your quilt top alongside with your pattern. It might be a little bit intimidating at first, but I show you exactly how to read it so you can go through the complete process with confidence and clarity. One part of the class is to prepare your templates. You can do that either on your home computer or I show you how to get it through your copy shop printed. Another important skill is the foundation paper piecing. This will widen your repertoire as a quilter and you can use it for further projects. You will gain so much more accuracy and precision for your masterpiece, so I show you how to do that skill. But hey, that's not all. At the end of the class, I'll give you a couple of tips on the finishing touches like binding and quilting. I show you a pattern for how to quilt it on your domestic sewing machine, or if you prefer to give it out to a professional long-arm quilter, I have some recommendations here too. I'll make sure that you are equipped with all the necessary information to make your quilting project a success. Let's enjoy this journey together and make a wonderful quilt which you can be proud of at the end. See you in the next video where I will walk you through reading the pattern.